also given an irregular shape in form of a staircase. Now, we have been given this part as 10, this other part as 4, this 10. So let's go straight. This is 10, this is 4, this is 8. Now these three lines are parallel to this, but we're not looking for the parameters. So since we have these three lines, we can now break this shape into 3 other regular shapes. Now, this depends on you. I prefer breaking the shape into this. My first shape, the second shape, and this is my third shape. So this will be shape A, shape B, and shape C. These are the 3 shapes. Now, the next thing we must do is to determine the length and the breadth of these 3 shapes. Now, for this, the length of shape A, it is equal to this length plus this. So what we have there is 4 plus 2 plus 8, which simply gives us 14 cm. Now, area of A will be easy. Area of A will simply be equal to length times breadth, and the length is 14. What of them is cm, which is equal to 14 times 10. All is cm equal to 140 cm squared. That is the area of A. Now we look at B. For B, we already have 4 as our breadth. Now the length is from this position to this position, which is equal to these 2 plus 8. So the length of B is 10 cm and the breadth is 4 cm. So with that, we can calculate the area of B. For area of B will be equal to length times breadth, which is the same thing as 10 times the breadth is 4. 10 times 4 cm, which is equal to what? 40 centimeter squared. Now we're going to C. C, we have everything given already. For C, we have the breadth as 8 and the length as 8. So for C, we discover that it is a square, and the area of the square is length times length. So with that, we can calculate the area for C. Area of C is equal to length times length, or simply length squared, which is equal to 8 times what? 8, which is equal to 64 cm squared. Therefore, total area is equal to area of A plus B plus C, which is the same thing as 140 plus 40 plus 64, which all are in centimeters squared. What will give to us? 140 plus 64 give us 204. 204 plus 40 will give us 244 cm squared. That's our final answer. So the answer to this question is 244 centimeters squared. Math is actually easy peasy. Lemon squeezy, piece of cheese. Mr. Austin's Focus. See you in our next class.